Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix calendar not working on iPhone iOS 17. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1: close and reopen calendar app. Close the calendar app and close again, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is start your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is update the calendar app. Firstly, tap on App Store and tap on profile icon, and on the top right corner check the app updates. If app updates are available, updates your app, and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is turn iCloud off and on. Firstly, tap on setting app, tap on Apple ID, tap on iCloud, tap on show all. You can see appears on screen calendars toggle off, and 5 to 10 seconds back toggle on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is delete and reinstall calendar app. Select app which you want to delete and reinstall app again to App Store. How to fix calendar not working on iPhone iOS 17 successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.